Okay, so Valve has released a new update, and we're going to talk about what do I think this update is going to do to the market, what are my investments for this week, what am I selling, what am I not selling, and what am I buying. Let's get right into the video. Valve has finally done something, and they've done something really fun. So Season 3 has now started, and Season 2 is over. Looking at the investment side of everything that has happened, obviously we have the big one, the trade protected items. We're going to cover this in this video, how I think that it's going to impact the market and what I would do with my investments and what I might buy and what I might sell. Firstly, we're just quickly going to cover what they've talked to. They've nerfed the MP9, made it a bit worse. Yeah, here we have it. The MP9 has gotten a bit of a nerf, harder to control sprays, and a worsened jumping accuracy. Secondly, we can now see that the CT economy has changed a bit. Win or lose, the CTs now received a share team award for each T eliminated in the round. So more you win, the closer you keep your losses, the more you'll have to spend. What this means is that for every kill the CT gets, they'll receive an additional $50 in the bank account per teammate. This obviously is a lot. It's $250 each round. I haven't done the math on it yet, but it is quite substantial. So I'm really looking forward to hear more about this one and see how it plays out in game. But obviously moving over to the big one, the trade protected items, which is probably the one that it's been the most amount of talk about. Let's see what Valve has to say about this, and then I'll give my opinion. So today we're introducing a new feature to help keep your Counter-Strike items secure. To be honest with you, I've kind of read through all of this, and I've kind of experienced and talked to some friends and so on in the trading groups that I'm in myself, and nothing's really changed. I'll just continue reading here, and then I'll explain what I mean with nothing has really changed. In the unlikely event that you'll lose control of your account or were a target of a scam by a bad actor, you may reverse all Counter-Strike item trades from the last 7 days. So, as a buyer, you're always the one going first. If somebody has a case for sale, and I contact that person wanting to buy their case, I will be the one sending the money before they send the case. In theory, they could always, 1 month ago, 1 year ago, whenever it was, they could always just choose to not send the case. So the scam aspect of us daily traders, nothing has changed. Sure, the trades might be a little bit slower, but nothing has changed for us daily traders. But it will affect the people that don't know a lot about trading. So the trading scene itself, we're very secure. This doesn't really do too much to us. But for a person who just opened a blue gem, who doesn't really know what it is, and they put it out on the market, and they quick sell it for thousands of dollars below the market price, then this is a really good update. So my opinion is it's going to be really nice for us. I see no problems with this update whatsoever. So from the side of the investment, I would say to stick to the armory. We were kind of talking about this in my previous video about would they possibly be taking out one of these collections, right? And if I had to guess, I was going to guess they would taking out the graphics collection or the overpass collection. Obviously, they're not going to take out the overpass collection. They just added that into the map pool. But I think there's a big chance that the Sports and Field collection or the graphics collection is taken out this October. People are going to catch on that this October, these items are going to be maybe taken out. So the prices of these items will rise. They will rise, and you are early. Right now, I think is a really good investment time for these. I myself copped an M4S Fade, and of course I have several, not this one. This one right here, and the other one. I have several of the light blue ones from all the train collections, and obviously, of course, the Sports and Field collections. This one was a very bad wear, because, as you know, with the Fade, it only trades up to a factory new or minimal wear. So when it comes to the Sports and Field collection, don't bother buying these factory new ones. It has No meaning whatsoever unless you're going for like the low floats one or anything like that. That's what I would be sticking to. Also, alternatively, I would be investing in the Norse collection. I think I even have a few laying around here. Okay, I have a... But the Norse collection is something I really see is growing on the market. Let's go in here and have a look. So we see, for example, let's just take that one I just looked at. They're all the way up at a lifetime. Let's see, over the past few years. So we were down to $5 a year ago. Now we're at 14. Okay, wait, more realistic. We're at 12. Yeah, we've about doubled our money in a year, and I seriously think that this might be something that could go really, really, really high. Like the Gungnir, there's 3,000 of them. It's just such a sought after skin, and the CS market is just growing. So to recap, I would be investing in the sports and field collections, I would be investing in the graphic collection, and I would be investing in the Norse collection as it is right now. But obviously, if anything changes, I'll keep you updated. With the new update, I'm not very worried. I feel like it's actually fairly good for the traders. And yeah, I'm excited to see where it takes us. And lastly, I just want to jump in quickly and take a look at the capsules from the Austin Major. As we can see, the capsule sale has not arrived yet. I know quite a bit of people were expecting it. But yeah, we'll wait and see when it comes. I'll of course make a video talking about if I'm gonna invest in these, and yeah. But I just quickly wanted to show you guys that yes, the sale has not arrived yet. We know, and yeah, I'm really excited for the sale. It should hopefully come here very shortly, and yeah. So for now, toodaloo.